ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ki polit jong ka jilla hadu menta kidang penlong ye ka jing tokit ka bapnya ban labdin ye ki breu ki badan kti ban bo ye ubom IED hakmat ka khardop jong ka office traikam ka sengsan perthai National People's Party haka sautrik ubna risau arajar arpuwei Menteri katanat ki kampo ying ubak lakmen rumbui habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor ulaong baki pulit yang menta kidang penlong ye ka jing tokit ka babnia khnang ban yokem no mardor ye ki breu ki badan kti hakabaya dei bat ka jing maham bat ka jing aipor ka ba shibnai jong ka seng hanyotrep National Liberation Council ye ki nongkit kam jong ka National People's Party bakin mi no ne ka party Uba rumbui ulaong bakadai ka kamram jong ka sarkar ban pet ye ka shongsuk shongsan bat ban ajing eda ya uwei pa uwei unong shongshnong jong ka jilla.
As of now, the investigation is going on, so I didn't have any other data beyond that. It is the duty of the police to look at all areas concerned. But having said that, this incident of Laimukha and Lachemia have made us aware that the department should leave no stone unturned to see that this type of incident could be could be prevented. Whatever happened, it is a call for the police department to do more. They have to do more. No, in fact, citizens are very cooperative. The general public are very cooperative department. We get so many information from them, so but I cannot divulge much. The view of the government from time to time is that, as you said, that nothing could be solved by confrontation. It is only through the dialogue which could be set up. But having said that, the government of India is clearly spelled out that shun violence come to the table within the parameter of the Constitution of India. That's why I told that there's a wake up call for the department that they have to see that how to beef up the intelligence, number one, which they are already doing that, but they have to do more. You see, the duty of the government is to provide security to each and every citizen of the state. So we are working on that. It is not that if they threaten somebody that is more important than other body. So it is the duty of the states to see that the security of each and every citizen is paramount.